Welcome to ConvertFlow, the all-in-one platform for converting your website visitors. In this short video, you'll see how ConvertFlow simplifies your workflow as a marketer by giving you the power to create, personalize, and launch campaigns on your website without coding. The heart of ConvertFlow is your calls to action, or CTAs for short. Creating a CTA is fast and easy. Just click the green Create button. Calls to action come in all different shapes and sizes, such as embedded CTAs, pop-up CTAs, sticky bars, and landing pages. Just choose your call to action type, and you'll be able to select from our ever-expanding library of templates. Once you choose a template, you'll be taken to the call to action builder, where you can personalize your CTA by adjusting content, styling sections, adding elements, building forms, surveys, and more. With your favorite email service provider connected, you could easily map your surveys and form custom fields to your existing custom fields in your email provider. Then segment your leads into the right lists, tags, and sequences by adding automation specific to your email provider right within the ConvertFlow builder. Need more than one step in your call to action? Turn any CTA into a multi-step funnel by clicking to add another step so you can guide visitors each step of the way. Using ConvertFlow's conditional logic rules, you can send your visitors down personalized paths and display different outcomes based on who they are and how they respond. And by adding merge tags to your content, you can increase engagement throughout your CTA as well as greet returning subscribers when they come to your website. Once you're done personalizing your CTA, click to preview it and then test it out. Head to the launch page to determine which visitor segments see this CTA by adding targeting conditions for page URLs, contact segmentation in your email provider, their visit history, and more. Then click the green Launch button and it displays live on your website. Once your call to action is converting visitors for you, head back to the CTA to see insightful reports on how it's converting and how far people are progressing through it. Using the split testing tools, you can quickly duplicate variants and experiment with your CTA to make it convert even higher. As you build more CTAs, you can streamline your workflow even further using ConvertFlow's advanced campaign tools. You could group together CTAs and schedule them to launch all together using ConvertFlow's broadcast campaigns. Or map out your entire customer journey using Flows, ConvertFlow's campaign builder for lifecycle personalization. Whether you're embedding a form for your new content upgrade, nudging visitors to your new e-commerce promotion with a sticky bar, or building out an entire landing page for your business, ConvertFlow's all-in-one platform for converting website visitors gives you the power to create and launch campaigns faster and easier without coding or developers. Are you ready to get started? Create your first call to action and you can start converting visitors on your website today. If you'd like to see more, you could also request a demo and our team will be in touch with you shortly. We hope to see you in the ConvertFlow community soon.